Luca, what are you doing? You're a crazy baby. What are you doing jumping around in the crib at 7 months? That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to crawl or something. You're a crazy baby. You want to be a big guy, like your brother. Say hi, Kai. Ooh. No, please don't eat that. That's yucky. Yeah.
Your baby, Mom. This is his foot.
That's his foot. That's his belly. Luca, 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 you crazy little baby.